Hey guys!
Hey guys, welcome back to It's New Antics. Today we are playing SCP-3008 roleplay.
With our friend Irdina.
Hello. Say hi. Hello. So if you hear background noises, either it's because of me or Irdina.
Yeah, mostly I don't have background noises. Anyway, we'll start today's video.
Okay guys, when you guys come home, you guys must go shower because it's almost nighttime. And eat dinner.
Okay.
Wow.
Wait, what?
Where's the house?
Yeah, where is the house?
If I remember, we go straight and then turn a left.
Is the house big or small? I know we don't really have a lot of bugs.
I think it's a little bit big.
Oh.
Oh, there it is.
It looks like a tree house.
Whoa, it looks so cool.
Come on guys.
Wow, Mom, you're the best.
You should open the door.
Don't worry, I'll open it. Let me close it.
You guys can go explore.
Oh, okay. Well, Mom, you said you're gonna shop today?
Oh my god, look! It looks like my room looks so cool, and look, I have my own computer.
Wait, I want to see my room. Come on, guys, in my room. It looks so beautiful. Wow. It's pink, just like what I like. Mom, do you buy the furniture up already? Cause it's like what color we like actually.
Yep, I already finished it.
Oh,
Well,
thank
no,
you,
we
Mom.
don't really have that.
Well, Mom, you said you are going to go shopping?
Yep, why?
Okay. When are you gonna go?
Maybe a few more minutes. Then I'll go.
I think I accidentally pushed the lamp. Oops.
It's okay. You guys can go brush your teeth and have dinner or something.
Oh,
Okay.
Dinner's already made. Dinner's already made downstairs.
we should probably eat first.
Really? Okay.
Whoa! Actually, I don't feel like meatballs today, Mom.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it now.
Tastes nice actually.
Well, I'm gonna brush my teeth now.
Same.
Okay. Wait, where should I put this? Well, guys, I wanna go to the store now.
Okay. Wait, what are you gonna buy over there?
What?
What are you gonna buy over there?
Maybe some of your guys' favorite snacks.
Oh, okay. Well, bye.
Bye. Oh, wait,
Can
I forgot my lamp.
you buy me milk?
Sure. I can buy you milk. Bye-bye. I'll be home soon.
Okay. Well, Hannah, our mom is gone, and I told her to buy some milk. Hopefully there's no bad coincidence that happened to her. Well, good night, Hannah. I'll meet you tomorrow. Huh?
But then we're gonna find a job because mom, I remember because mom doesn't have a job, so we really gotta find a job.
Oh. Okay.
You gotta find a job. I'll find a doctor job or something, and you go find like some live stream so you can win some stuff.
I don't really want a job. Just come over here. I can be like a cell owner because I have like a lot of these balls that I always collect, and I also have a lot of these. I mean, some of these game cubes, these med kits, these donuts and stuff. Yeah.
I know. We should make a YouTube channel, and then they can donate money to us, because we can say that we are going to
are, right?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, well, live stream. I'm gonna live stream too.
Okay, well, I'm going.
What should our channel name be? You know, I'll Discord. I will call you at my computer. Okay.
Okay, I think it should be It's Nia and Jinx.
Oh, that's excellent. Okay, let me just call you. Oh wait, I already called you. I'm such a dummy.
Okay, let's stream on Twitch and YouTube. I'll stream on YouTube. You stream on Twitch, okay? Sounds good.
But then we have to be together because our YouTube channel is named It's Nia and Jinx. We have to be together in the YouTube, okay? I don't really have Twitter on my computer. We can't download Twitter on our computer. Think.
No. Let's say that I downloaded like last time.
You download Twitter last time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, now let me just. Oh, come on. I'm trying to make a description about us. Done. Okay, let's start our first YouTube. Okay,
Why
and
should we play this?
I don't know. Let's just introduce ourselves in the first video.
Okay, sure.
And then maybe tomorrow when we sleep, then we can do another one. Okay, we're on live. Hey guys, my name is Nia and her name is
Jinx. So today we are live streaming because we want to tell you how hard we have been intro. So why we are live streaming? Because we want to introduce ourselves. I'll tell you why. First, we have been through like a hard time, like a really hard time, and we hope that you can help us by donating some money, like cash and bucks. I'll pass it on to Nia now.
So basically, like, we've been going through some like hard times. Like, our house just burnt down, and we got another house which is very small rather than our other house that we got. But the thing that we like about our new house is that it's like a flying house, so it's really cool. I'll pass it on to Jinx.
So we might as well do a house tour like for the next video.
Or we can play Roblox. So you guys are gonna choose whether you guys want to see Roblox contents or like, or you want. Okay, you guys want like a
Or
Roblox.
maybe you want us to do both.
Oh yeah, you guys want us to do both, like show the house tour and after that get on Roblox, or you guys want us to do separate. So if it's separate, if there's a lot of comments saying separate, then either Roblox or house tour. So you guys get to pick. So if you
Okay,
pick,
okay, I'm gonna do a poll right now. The
yeah.
poll is in YouTube. Go check it out.
So yeah, we'll see you in the next video, and we'll see who actually got the most. Which one got actually the most number.
Our Instagram socials are It's Nia and Jinx social, and Twitch is just It's Nia and Jinx social.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go. We're gonna say bye now. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay,
That was so brilliant, Hannah.
okay, well, I'm gonna make a poll right now.
Okay.
On Instagram, so
Wait, you
I
you made it on YouTube too, right?
yeah, I made it on YouTube and Instagram just in case they want to choose it in Instagram also.
Oh yeah. Okay. But how about Twitter? No wait.
No, Twitter. I also put it in the description.
Oh, okay. Well, what? Our mom is not
And
really.
TikTok also.
Our mom is not really home. I don't know why, but but let's sleep. Come on. Good night.
So,
Close the door.
night, sis.
Night.
Oh my god, what is that? I hear a cat all of a sudden. I'm not good. Yeah. No.
Huh? What was that? Yes, Sissy?
Sis, I hear like a thud sound. We should check the basement out. Mom said there was a basement.
Oh, I thought actually that was my ears, but it was real? But it's nighttime. There can be a lot of things. Wait, what time is it? Hold on. There should be a clock somewhere, right? Oh wait, you have a watch. See what time is it? It's 3 a.m. Oh my god, hey, don't go in. There's a strange man inside. I wonder what is he doing. Oh my god, my mission's complete. I killed somebody out of your house. Now somebody new came in? I can't believe this. Now, I need to worry on how am I gonna get them out of this house. This is creepy. I think we should maybe be homeless or something. If they kill us, we're dead.
Nah.
But what are we gonna do? I'm scared, sis. And you're the older sister.
I'm already your older sister. So I'm going to find a job right now.
Okay, can I be in your room? I'm kind of scared.
Sure. You can sit on that couch over there. So, okay, I found a doctor job.
Why do I hear a noise of banging?
Oh my god, it's them.
What do you think they are doing?
Wait, I think there's.
Wait, what is he doing? Because there's only one people.
Wait. Okay, I found this thing in my drawer, so I think we can cover it up.
Okay.
I hope that works.
Yeah. It's coming again. I'm scared. What do you think he's doing? He's banging something. He's banging our furniture over there.
I think he's trying to get us.
Can our mom just come home? It's already 3 a.m. How is she not home? I'm gonna call my mom. Let's call our mom. Come on. Call her on your computer.
No, this is my phone.
Oh, okay. Call her.
Is it? I cannot connect to her all of a sudden.
Huh? Mostly we can connect to her. Okay, let me see whether my phone works. Come on.
Okay, well, I'm gonna bring my phone.
Wait, where is my phone? I actually put my phone over here. Where is it? Don't tell me the guy take it. No, it can't be he take it.
No, the phone is here.
Huh? No, these are not my phone. These are just the lights that I put. Maybe downstairs. We have to open this. I have to find my phone. I don't want him to kill it.
Wait, before you come down. We need to get some safety stuff first. Let me
Okay.
get it up in my drawer.
Give me something to protect myself.
Okay, you can get this glove.
What? You had a gun? Well, this is cool.
Okay, well, let's get down and...
Why do I have a pistol and you have that? That's not fair.
No, that's more powerful than this.
Is it because I'm young and don't know how to use a gun and you're very good at using a gun?
Yes, I trained
Okay,
it in...
let me just open it. Go, go, go.
Okay, he's not here.
He can be any around. You know, let's go to the attic. Let's see what he's doing.
I think this is a basement. We don't have an attic.
Sorry, basement. I get very confusing. I get very confused.
We should cover it up right now.
Hey, that's all of my collectibles that I put there. I told you never to touch them.
So you want us to die?
No, it's not that. I think he's thinking of a plan too. Maybe we can sleep. I'm kind of tired.
Okay, if you die, then it's not my fault.
But you're literally putting it. Hey, there's another toy gun here. It was never here. Was it?
Oh, it was.
That's a toy gun.
Yeah. So it's not really that powerful at all. But what we can do is a stun effect. That thing is a stun effect. So it's like there's like smoke come out of it.
I still hear some banging. What he's doing? You know, let's see it at the day tomorrow, okay? Sissy, I didn't know we had a secret spot over here.
Yeah, that's where all the stuff comes. Cover everything you can.
Okay.
Don't think the glue is really cover the side.
I think it's good now. I think we're safe. I mean, Hannah, I don't think I'm able to function. I feel so exhausted. Is there any candies or anything?
Don't worry. Take this water. Come here. Take this water bottle. It actually heals you. This medicine actually.
Wow, in my inventory there's actually some chocolate. Some Dr. Bob. Actually, sis, can we sleep? It's literally night still. I'm tired.
Okay, well you better get your gun before you die.
Oh, okay.
And put it back into my bag.
Okay, okay. Wait, can I put it at my place? I mean, come on, please, please.
No, it's more secure here.
No, because I have a plant. And then they won't even know if it's behind the plant.
Oh, that's good. Because I also have a plant.
No, I never even saw it. You put it in your jar. There's no plants inside your jar. Okay, done. Safe.
Where's my rock?
Don't tell me he took it and went upstairs and just took it. No, it can't be. We never even saw him.
You know, who cares?
Yeah, let's just sleep. Good night.
But I need to get this thing so it's more secure. Because it can't really break through.
Put the rock painting on it. Oh, it's so excellent. Let's sleep.
Okay, you better close your door before he comes in. Wait, sis, do you have any food?
I have some chocolate. I got some donuts inside my... Here, get some donuts.
Thanks.
Good night. Hopefully it becomes day so that we can see what really happened.
Ding ding! Oh my god. I just got a text from a stranger, but I wonder who is it. I'm under your basement right now.
Sissy, can you lower down the voice a tiny bit?
No. I just got a text from a stranger and it's the guy.
Wait, what he said? Where is it? Where is it? What he said? He
I'm
said...
in your basement right now.
Yeah, we know that. We literally said it. Say it or something.
No, you want us to get in trouble?
Well, what should we do? I'm scared. And what time is it? Let me see your
4
watch.
a.m.
4 a.m. Sis, I have to sleep. Tomorrow I have a dance class.
So you want us to get dead?
No, it starts at 6:30 a.m.
Okay, I was just kidding. It's just like 3:30.
You, sis, you make me so anxious.
Well, I have to go work tomorrow for doctor job.
For the doctor job? Yeah, I know that. But what should we do? What should we say? We must say something. Hey, look, he said something else. He said, oh my god, look what he said. If you don't reply with anything else, I will end you.